Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the computer, unplug the power supply, and press the front power button for a few seconds to bleed residual charge. Ground yourself with a wrist strap or by touching the chassis so static won't damage components. Once done, remove the side panel and identify the DIMM slots and release latches. You want to know which slots pair for dual-channel operation. Make sure you have the right DDR generation and capacity before proceeding. You'll handle the modules carefully. Open both slot latches before lifting out any existing RAM so you don't bend the PCB. If removing sticks, pull latches outward evenly and let the module pop up. Align the new DIMM notch with the keyed slot. Insert at an angle if your motherboard design requires it, then press straight down until both latches snap closed. Make sure match sticks go into the recommended paired slots so you get correct channel interleaving and stable timings. After installation, replace the case panel, reconnect power, and boot the system. Enter BIOS to confirm the motherboard detects the new total RAM and corrects speed. Then run a memory diagnostic to catch errors and ensure stability under load. If Windows won't boot or capacity is wrong, don't panic. Power down, reseat each module, try alternate slots, and make sure modules are compatible with your board and BIOS version. Updating BIOS can resolve recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.